lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out something different and I'm going to be playing around with color. I tend to go for neutral colors, so I'm going to see how this turns out. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm starting out with my Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm going to be playing around with the orange and a red color for a fiery look. I'm placing the shade Ball of Fire on my eyelid for my transition color, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm gonna go in with a new brush, and I'm using my Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Red Alert for my main lid color, and I'm just gonna blend it in as well. Now that I'm happy with my eye look, I'm just taking some eye makeup remover and I'm just going to clean up my eye area just for a cleaner look when I put on my foundation and all the other products. I'm now going in with my Revolution baking oil to hydrate and prime my skin, so it's going to act as my primer, but it's oil based and it's just going to give me a good base for my foundation. For foundation, I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F13. I really like the applicator. It's quite big and covers a big space. So I'm just going to apply it to my face and blend it out. Now that I'm happy with my base, I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade 155, and I'm going to use that to highlight my face. the Revolution Deep Honey Loose Setting Powder to set the areas that I've highlighted. Going in with the Conceal and Define Full Concealer in the shade C14, and I'm going to use it to contour. I like mine to cup my cheek, so I'm going to go right under my cheek and just blend it out. I thought it was a bit too light, but I'm not too sure. If you think otherwise or if you agree, please leave a comment below so I can know whether to use it next time or not, because I can't really tell. Thank you. I'm going to go back in with the loose setting powder, and I'm just going to chisel right under the area that I contoured because that's the look that I like. Oh yeah, give it to them. I am now going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and it is in the shade Mocha Mami, and I'm going to use it to bring back some warmth to my face. So whatever I couldn't achieve with the contour shade, I'm going to make up for it with the bronzer. Taking my Makeup Revolution blush palette, and it is the Golden Sugar Rose Gold palette, and the shade that I'm going for is a pinky shade, and it has a shimmer pigment to it, so I won't need to use highlight to it because I really like how it turned out, so I'm gonna roll with it. For my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with a brown lip pencil, and this one is from ColourPop, but I can't remember the name. And to follow it up, I'm gonna use another shade, and this one is called Ellarie, and it's like a burgundy brownish color. So I'm just gonna use that just to double line my lips and to try and give it, or like give them like a fuller lip look. And for the lip color, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Outlaw. Under eye, I'm just going to go back in with the two colors I used for the main eye look, and I'm going to finish off the rest of my eyes and set my face off camera. So I'm just going to be using the Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray, and I'll be back with the final look. And I'm back like I never left. Please don't mind my left eye, it's doing the gangster lean. I've got really sensitive eyes and today was just not it. I tried everything and my eyes were just watering, trying to fix my lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.